lot cheaper than the label prices. So I don't have to write anything. If you think about it. You go out to like the Chinese food restaurant, they don't give you a bag with their name.
Give you a smiley face.
They give you a smiley face.